Does a Skrill report to the IRS? Does a Skrill report to the Internal Revenue Services in the United States? If you have been using Skrill to send money, receive money, and we're wondering, does Skrill tell the IRS or the US tax office about your account and transactions? Let's talk about it in this video. Yes, Skrill can report to the IRS. So the first way that they can do that is through tax forms like 1099. Skrill USA may send the IRS a form 1099 if you meet certain conditions. Then you can choose to get your tax forms electronically in your Skrill account as well. If asked by the IRS, Skrill might share your account info with the IRS if they request it. Then legal rules also apply, where Skrill also follows laws like know your customer, anti-money laundering, as well as various other laws and regulations across the world. So they do report to tax authorities if tax authorities actually request your information.